Hi, I'm Jesse. I'm a plumber at Caslex. Today we're in Kew, roughing in a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home. We're going to start in the master ensuite. My old man's been a plumber for about 40 years and he's used the original REHAU since pretty well its inception. Last year I got introduced to Edge and then we changed our whole system to that.
My name's Andy. I'm an area sales manager at REHAU. We discovered there was a demand for a system which is as quick as crimp, but as secure as compression sleeve. So we worked in with Reece and developed Edge, which is Australia's fastest compression sleeve system.
For me, mainly it was speed, like just not having to expand the pipe first. Like you can see the fitting pressed together. You know that everything's fine before you even pressure test it. My confidence hasn't changed with the new product, even though it is faster. It's still as sound as it's ever been.